Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Punzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be making French toast dippers. I'm gonna show you about 2 or 3 different ways of making it. So guys, let's get into it.
Perfect.
So that's another way of making French toast, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you'll try it out as well. I got this recipe from Twisted, so don't forget to follow me on my social media links. They're all gonna be listed in the description box down below. And guys, until next time, bye.